video, I am happy to share with you two of my favorite traditional recipes. Fragrant Cabbage Fry, often made as a side dish for rice. This simple dish is easy to make. Typical Sri Lankan style cabbage fry. The basic ingredients are onions, ginger, dried chillies, curry leaves, garlic, and freshly grated coconut, and of course cabbage. Into a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mixed spices often used in Indian cooking. Add a teaspoon of the mixed spices into the hot oil. This is to give the food that special nutty aroma. Fry the mixture for a minute. When the mustard seeds start to splutter, add the dried red chillies. Fry the chillies for a minute. Next, add the garlic, followed by the curry leaves and onions. Using this same method, we can also make another side dish like carrot fry. Instead of the cabbage, we use grated carrots. When the onions turn translucent and slightly brown, add the ginger, followed by the freshly grated coconut. Continue to fry the grated coconut for a minute or two. At this stage, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by the cabbage leaves. Keep turning the cabbage leaves until soft and tender. No need to add water, as water will ooze out of the juicy cabbage leaves. It only takes a few minutes for the cabbage leaves to turn tender. This cabbage fry just took me only a few minutes to do, but it is so fragrant and tastes really good. Next, my favorite, tasty and fragrant chickpea fry. How to make this spicy chickpea snack so tasty and so flavorful. This snack can be made from canned chickpeas or fresh dried chickpeas. Today I am starting with 1 cup of dried chickpeas. The chickpeas were soaked 4 to 5 hours before cooking. Wash and drain soaked chickpeas. I am using water to submerge the soaked chickpeas. Cook chickpeas for about 4 to 5 whistles from the pressure cooker. Now, allow the cooker to cool to release the pressure. Once cooled, time to check. The chickpeas are now all done. Can be pressed with 2 fingers. Ingredients for chickpea fry: dried chillies, mixed spices, onions and curry leaves. That's all the ingredients needed for this dish. Heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Fry the mixed spice for a minute or two. When the mustard seed starts to crackle, add the onions and dried chillies. Continue frying until the onions turn translucent and slightly brown. Add salt to speed up the frying. Now the curry leaves. The whole kitchen is filled with a wonderful aroma now. Next, add the cooked chickpeas. Combine and the dish is ready. So simple to make, yet so tasty and flavorful. How about making this healthy, fragrant chickpea fry as an evening snack? This spicy chickpea is now ready to serve. The chickpeas are so tasty and flavorful cooked this way. Snacking on chickpeas cooked this way is much healthier than snacking on chips or deep fries. Let's see what the taste test shows. Here is my volunteer taster. Yes, and it's very good.